Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Coding 101. We're back at it again with a bang with some crazy beginner exercises for you beginners out there. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about a different question. Basic, you know how we do it. Basic every time. So in this particular problem, it says write a method that accepts a string and prints characters with even indices. So for example, if you have a string, like for example a word like smoking, and I assure you that this is just a coincidence, I'm not a smoker myself. For example, if you have a word like smoking, what this is going to do is it's going to go through every single character that is on an even index. For example, this is 0, 1, 2. So 2 is even and 0 is even. So we expect the function that we're going to create to print out S, O, I, and G. So let's just get straight into it. Define the function, and what are we going to call it? And we're going to call it even indices. Even indices. I don't know if that's correct. Even indices. You know what? Forget about the spelling. Let's just. So it's what is it gonna accept? It's gonna just accept maybe a string. So like a text. And then what do? We create a for loop, right? And we just go for x, and then we're gonna create a range, and then we're just gonna say length text, and we're gonna do that. And the reason why we create a length, we create a range in that manner is because that we want to iterate, and we're gonna check the index of every single character in that particular string that we're going to receive, and that's why we say for x and range length of text. And of course, x represents the index. So what we do with that is we say is x modulo 2, I'm just gonna put a modulo over there, modulo 2 equal to 0, and this is essentially how you check if a number is even. So you're gonna check, is x modulo 2 equal to 0? If it is, then kindly print it out like this. Then print, no, actually don't print the index, print what that index represents, and that is probably the character. And there you go. That should do it. So we're just gonna check that. And then we're gonna write a word like smoking. And then we're gonna check if it's, and there you go. So this is a very simple exercise, straight to the point. Doesn't need, it's not that difficult. All you need to know is how to check if a number is even, or how to check if a number is odd, you know, and then you're set. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on Coding 101.